Hey guys, welcome to digit.in, and in front of me is the Nubia X. Now this is a phone that I've been very excited to check out at CES, and the reason is this is again a dual display smartphone. The secondary display is built into the substrate on the back, and to be honest, the display basically just floats in the surface. You can't really tell if it's a film which is underneath the glass back or is it on top. It's just so seamless. Now it's beautiful for sure. It's also a fingerprint magnet. And moving on from that, if you notice, there are no cameras on the front, and the reason for that is, let me show you. So you go here and you can take a photo. This is your regular photo for, let's say, if you're shooting landscape or whatever. But if you want to switch to portrait mode, by that I mean selfie mode, you just flip the camera over. Actually close that. You flip the phone over, start the camera, and yeah, you can take the photo like this. So it's actually pretty simple. It does have a dual camera setup on the back. One, I'm assuming the one is a 24 megapixel sensor and the other is a 16. Yep, that is correct. It's a 16 plus 24 megapixel sensor setup. It has a 3800 milliamp hour battery, and for the juicy insight, it's got a Snapdragon Qualcomm 845 processor. It comes in three variants with 6, 8 and 10 GB of RAM, with 64, 128 and 256 GB of storage as well, respectively. It's a full HD display on the front, a 6.25 inch, whereas the back is a 5.1 inch HD plus OLED display. So that is pretty gorgeous. I'm just going to stop taking photos. Okay, now one very interesting thing about this phone is that it has fingerprint sensors on both sides. If you see right here, the fingerprint sensor on the left side is there, right here, and then there is a fingerprint sensor on the right side as well. This is essentially to make sure, regardless of which orientation, which display you're using, you are always able to unlock the phone. Also, because this doesn't have a front-facing camera, Nubia has been able to make this a fairly borderless phone. The bezels are very slim, and honestly, it's a beautiful looking device. It has the dual screen concept is pretty novel, and the switch over from the front to the back screen is very seamless. So by the time you you turn the phone around, the display comes on, and again, impressive, completely very impressive. It's so nice to see that there are still products that are coming out with innovation built into them, and this is the Nubia X. I wouldn't call it the world's first dual display smartphone because it's not, but it is a phone with an extremely unique concept and an extremely unique take on two displays. It's not a foldable phone, but yes, it is. They have used some clever technology to put two displays into the front and back of the phone. So thank you guys for watching this video. In case you liked it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and just stay tuned to our channel for more coverage from CES. Thank you guys for watching.